Here we have a Smile a Day Kids gift box, perfect for kids of all ages. It comes nicely wrapped in thick plastic to cover it from damage while in shipping. It has a nice yellow and red ribbon tied to it, so we can open it and see what's inside. Unwrapped the kids gift basket, and as you can tell, there's a lot of good stuff in here. There are a lot of treats for the kids, such as goldfish, ring pops, Cracker Jacks, gummy bears, and fruit roll-ups. Now, who doesn't like strawberry sensation fruit roll-ups? That sounds delicious. And along with that, we have some bubbles, goofy string. Oh, this furry little cute guy. Look at him. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. And this little wind-up doll. I think you put him on the table after you wind him up, and he's supposed to walk around. What is this? Snakes and ladder board game. Some doodle pads. This is great value. Spin wheel, look at this. This is great for kids of all ages. This will probably keep them entertained for a good day or so. But yes, this would be great for any kid whose birthday's coming up or celebrations. Great value, as you can tell from all the treats and games that come with it.